how are you all? Today is the second day of Diwali and I'm super happy because today I've received my Diwali present from BSL. I'm going to unbox this present and I'll be showing you every single thing that I have gotten. Let's get started with the most precious thing from the entire gift is this certificate. At the same time, it is so heartbreaking for me because it has been broken badly. I couldn't make it fixed in order to shoot this video, but I'll do it for sure. So this certificate signifies that now I am an ESL certified trainer at BSL. What does it stand for? It stands for English as a second language. You can see my picture over here. Alright, move on. An identity card. A diary. Actually, I'm really fond of diaries, so it's such a lovely present for me. This is a trophy. Here is a beautiful badge for me. This is a magnetic badge. An appointment letter for me. I haven't read it yet. A pen, obviously as a trainer. At last, these chocolates inside. Thank you, BSL.